Hello everyone, today I will show you how to attach a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. This is a PDF file and I will attach another PDF file to this PDF. Click on this comment option, this menu bar, and here you will find this attached option and this is file option, file attached. Click on this file and put your mouse cursor where you want to insert your file. I'll insert this file here. Now open your folder and which one you want to insert. I'll insert this one and select open. Now click on this hand option and see this. Our file now attached here and click here and double click and select OK and see this. Attached file now open. In this way you can attach as many as file you want and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.